The fact that the fluids of the male and the female are involved with fertilization was mentioned in the following Hadeeth. When the Prophet, peace be upon him, was asked by a Jewish person, "O Muhammad, what is man created from?" the Prophet answered, "O Jew, he is created from both, from the fluid of the man and the fluid of the woman." Thus, the word nutfa used in the Hadeeth is a very comprehensive term. Now, the next term is called sulala. This refers to the selection from the male and the female fluids, as the following passage mentions. Not from all fluid is the offspring created. And when I was asked about this, I explained that when we develop, we only develop from a small portion. Thus, the creation from both fluids occurs through a special selection. The Quranic term for this selection is sulala, which means in Arabic, gentle extraction from fluid. It is now known that both the ovum and the sperm are gently extracted from their environments in the process of fertilization. The ovum is selected from a long stream of follicular fluid, while one sperm out of millions is selected from the seminal fluid. The first sperm which touches the cell membrane of the ovum enters easily, but immediately afterwards, a rapid change occurs in the cell membrane, selecting that sperm only, and all other sperms are locked out. Now, talk again about the nutfa, or nutfa amshad. The fertilized ovum, or zygote as we call it, takes the form of a drop, or a nutfa amshad, which is a drop of mingled fluid. As God says in the Quran, we created man from a drop of mingled fluid, that is the nutfa amshad. An important point with regard to this phrase is the fact that nutfa is a singular noun, while amshad is a plural modifying adjective. According to the conventional rules of grammar, singular nouns are normally modified by singular adjectives, and thus the term nutfa amshad was a mystery to early Quranic scholars. However, this peculiarity in the language can now be explained, since we now know that the zygote remains singular as a nutfa, while internally the chromosomes and other contributions from the sperm and ovum form a plural mixture described as amshad. Therefore, from a scientific point of view, amshad is entirely accurate as a plural adjective modifying the singular nutfa, which is really a multifaceted entity, single entity.